Well, I just learned today, I thought in Full House that you had to take separate jumps to get your 3 singles, but you could take the same jump twice. You could take the same tunnel twice. I didn't know that. I didn't know that.
Oh, you know, get a piece of paper. I always. How many times do you do it? Well, that's because you guys do multiple reviews. Well, AKC makes it easy. You just can't do anything.
That's right.
There's no, like, screwing around. There's only 4 things to do. And I only do standard and jumpers. I don't even do the other one. I think I ran fast twice, but I haven't done much of that. Because they don't offer it at all the shows, so I haven't done that much of that. And then there's the tiny big one, which we're not fast, so there's no point. Only in France, not at shows. He slows down and shows.
Yay!
Well, I just